Welcome to day 3 of the goal setting challenge. We're powering through, we're already past halftime. Now, did you create your systems yesterday? Because you're going to find them super helpful. And today we're going to be talking about how to program your habits. Because yes, you can program yourself and you can be a bit of a robot of some sort. I mean, not really, but there are ways how you can hardwire yourself for success. Now, as humans, we are programmed to a lot of things, and one of them is to respond positively to rewards. It's how habits are formed in general, and when we receive a reward, we do it again, and then we get a reward, and then we do it again. So when you eat chocolate and it tastes good, you want more, then you eat it more, and suddenly you have an acid chocolate addiction, because every time you eat it, you feel rewarded with this nice taste from the sugar. Now, but you can use this reward cycle to program some really amazing habits into yourself as well. Some that, do you much more good than a chocolate addiction. The great comedian Jerry Seinfeld was actually asked by a young comic how he could become better. And Seinfeld had advice for him. He told him to write jokes every single day. And then he revealed his own system for writing jokes every single day. Because he put a large calendar next to his desk, and on each day that he wrote a joke, he put a big red X on that day. And then he said, after a few days, you'll have a chain, right? And you just keep at it, and the chain will grow longer every day. And you'll like seeing that chain, especially when you get a few weeks under your belt. And now your only job is to grow that chain. Boom, that's it. He created a simple reward system for himself. And he really didn't want to break the calendar chain, and it made him feel good when he didn't. So you can do something similar. You can create habits that will allow you to fulfill your systems, which will allow you to reach your goals. Because habit, systems, goals. Simple, powerful, wonderful. So, coming now to the action point of today. What habits do you want to program into yourself? They should be somehow related to the systems that you created yesterday. Now, let's say that your habit that you want to create is writing 500 words every morning at 6:30 a.m. You could use a calendar like Seinfeld did, or you could reward yourself with something else like a nice hot shower afterwards. After some time of doing this, you will automatically associate the pleasure of the shower with the work of writing. Or let's say that you want to read 30 self-improvement books every year. Now, the habit could be reading 20 pages over your lunch break every day. The reward could be a 20-minute walk or a delicious cup of coffee. Soon, you don't want to break the chain. You want to have the reward. And if you want a ready-made version of Don't Break the Chain calendar, just download the free resource that we've attached here. Or on a piece of paper, you write down the habits that you want to create and then make a calendar yourself, and you write the reward that you want to receive. Then you just begin doing that thing every day at the appointed time. You'll be amazed at the results. And again, you're miles ahead of most people on this planet. Now, tomorrow, we're going to be talking about the power of planning your days for maximum productivity. Until then, share one of your habits and rewards you'll be using on social media so that others can benefit of it too. And remember to tag me into it so that I can read them and respond to them. I do it with every single one. Now, what did you come up with? I look forward to reading from you, and I'll see you tomorrow again.